Bam, 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 bam. Attention all residents of Kamera. This is an important message being broadcasted at the request of the Derby Towers in conjunction with the Centers for Disease Control. Recently, people in Kamera have began coming down with COVID-19. The symptoms of COVID-19 include fever or chills, cough, shortness of breath or difficulty breathing, fatigue, muscle or body aches, headache, new loss of taste or smell, sore throat, congestion or runny nose, nausea or vomiting, diarrhea, and some COVID patients may experience chest pain or confusion. If you or anyone you know is displaying these symptoms, please call the emergency hotline. Please call the emergency hotline. Please call the emergency hotline. The emergency alert system has been activated. Bam, 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 bam. Attention all citizens. This is a national emergency. This message is being broadcasted at the request of the Kamera government. If you are coming down with COVID-19, you must quarantine yourself for up to 10 days. COVID-19 is very contagious. It is similar to the flu. Many cases involve fever or chills, cough, shortness of breath or difficulty breathing, fatigue, muscle or body aches, headache, new loss of taste or smell, sore throat, congestion or runny nose, nausea or vomiting, diarrhea, chest pain, or confusion. If you start to show these symptoms, you must quarantine yourself for anything up to 10 to 15 days. Bam, 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 bam. Attention all citizens. The Kamera government has issued an administrative message. Previously, the coronavirus outbreak has taken the lives of up to 10,000 residents in Kamera. We have previously created a vaccine. We have recently created vaccines. Now please come to the Centers for Disease Control and get vaccinated for COVID. And remember to wear a mask. Bam, bam, bam.